Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do another trainer unboxing slash try on. This time I have the Balenciaga Speed 2.0 and I'm really excited to open these and try these on. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with my latest trainer unboxing. Actually really liked these for a long time. I think they came out months and months ago, but not this style. I just saw the plain laced up sneakers. So let's get into it. So when I ordered it online, obviously because of lockdown, but they come in their normal grey Balenciaga box. I think every pair of Balenciagas I've got have come in this box. So you have the dust bag at the top. I wonder if people actually I don't actually keep my shoes in dust bags. So here they are. They also actually come with a black sole as well, but I thought I'd get the white sole because this is kind of the original Balenciagas. So I'm just going to take them out of the box. Okay, so these are the Speed 2.0s. Now, as soon as you see them, they look quite different from the original Speeds. Obviously, the sole is all separated. This is actually a mixture of white and black, but predominantly white, and it's obviously all like separated into chunks, whereas the usual Speeds are all, you know, one sole. I noticed that all the new Speed 2.0s have this sole. I actually really like this sole. As I said, they do a pure black one as well, so the whole shoe's black, which looks quite clean. But I really like this because it looks like the original first pair of Balenciagas, so just plain black and white ones. The logo is on the top of the foot. Usually it's here. So I have seen the other Speed 2.0s and they're not all like this. The logo is here. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. That is my one, you know, bug about the shoe, but I'm still willing to give it a go. Another thing instantly noticed is the material, and I actually did research it, and this material is a different material to the normal Speeds. This is a lot thicker, so maybe ideal for your winter shoes. Also, another huge obvious thing about the shoe is that it actually does have laces. As all the other Speeds are laceless, which I actually really like. The laces aren't purely just one colour. As you can see, they've got a little bit of white in the black. The laces don't actually really do a lot. They're mainly for show, as they don't really tighten with the shoe. They've also got the logo at the back here, and I think they're really different because, you know, everyone has the kind of socks. Trying them on, I can confirm they fit perfectly. They fit like a glove, just like the other Speeds. I did get a size 7, which is my normal size. I think it's EU 40, so if you were planning to buy these, I would stick with your normal size and stay true to size. But overall, I really like these shoes. I think they're different. I'm still not sold on this logo here. I would prefer if maybe it was at the side, but it is something different, something unique. So if you want to stand out from anybody else, maybe you could give these a purchase. So the total cost of these are around $630, which is more expensive than normal original Speeds, but for the Speed 2.0s, they're all £630, so they're roughly about £35 more than the normal Speeds. But I think they are worth it because they are different and they are unique. You know, everyone's not going to be wearing these. And I do really like the lace feature. It is just something different. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest trainer unboxing videos, and I'll see you all next time.